In this video, I'm going to lift the lid on our CRO conversion design agency before and after design experience. I'm going to show you the before page that a customer came to us with, and I'm going to show you the after page that we delivered when we were hired to increase the customer's conversion rate and revenue per session. This is episode number 60 of CRO Insights, and let's get right into the transformations. So as you can see in the redesign, we were set a couple of tasks. Now, one, we added this notification bar at the top because we wanted to add some urgency and scarcity. We used a small green in-stock icon with limited stock alerts, and it just helped us make people FOMO that they might miss out if they don't grab the product now. Number two is we actually added the cart icon into the navigational bar. You can see in the before design it wasn't there. The issue they had is people were adding the cart and then taken straight to the cart, and they had no way to add more SKUs, interact and go back to the sales page, then to the cart. So we added this for some usability enhancements. Number three is we've used our famous trust policy bar. All you need to do is add a little bar below your notification and just fill it with things that make you trusted as a company. Put your value propositions there, put your money back guarantees there, your satisfaction guarantees, and everything else that just helps a cold consumer say, hey, do you know what? These guys really care. Number four, I'm gonna break into two parts. Yes, we have optimized the image above the fold. As you can see before, the guys just had this very big picture of the product, but it didn't really help sell the product itself. So we showed the outcome, the benefit, a happy customer, a beautiful drink that these sachets make, and the sachets themselves. And of course, we've added that all-important social proof. Why isn't there social proof above the fold on your page? Ask yourself. Go and add those stars and the amount of happy customers that you have served. Number five is we've optimized that headline. We've used a bigger font, but we stripped out all that boring text and still managed to have a very impactful, value-driven headline. And we've got this full width, very visual and clickable call to action above the fold. And that's the most important part. It's above the fold. It's a unique color. It stands out. It has the directional cue and it explains exactly what people are going to get when they click on that button. And number six, we've anchored it with some social proof. With a product like this, it's really good to use a review that actually answers people's questions they may have before purchase. It removes any friction and it gets more people going through to where the magic happens on the checkout. If you've enjoyed this video, then check out our YouTube channel. We've got hundreds more before and after designs. And if you've liked my agency ConversionWise with over a decade's worth of experience to design you a high converting page, get in touch at conversionwise.com or click the link below the video, and I'll see you in the very next video.